I discovered something important in Google Search Console. Googlebot is crawling several URLs on my site that return 404 errors. Some of these are ghost URLs I never created, and others are old. Resources like images or posts that I've moved or updated. When Google keeps crawling these broken links, it uses crawl requests that could be better spent on real, indexable content. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to find 404 URLs in crawl stats, decide which ones to delete and which ones to redirect, handle 3 common types of 404s, ghost URLs, moved resources, and updated posts, and fix everything using the Rank Math free plugin. Let's clean up these 404 errors the right way. Before we begin, a quick reason why this is important. Frequent 404s cause unnecessary crawl requests and poor user experience. Redirecting them helps search engines focus on valid pages and keeps your site clean. Here are the benefits. Efficient crawl usage. Fixing 404 stops Google from repeatedly requesting dead pages so it can focus on indexable content. Better user experience. Visitors who follow old links land on useful pages instead of a dead end. Health signals. Fewer 404 shows active site maintenance and improves site quality signals. Preserve link equity. 301 redirects pass external link value to the correct pages. Avoid indexing noise. Removing lots of 404s prevents crawl or index clutter that can hide real problems. Fixing 404s isn't just housekeeping, it's essential SEO maintenance. Now let's pull the 404 list from Google Search Console. Now open Google Search Console of your respective site. Click the settings icon in the left sidebar. Now a new window opens on the right side. Click Open Report of Crawl Stats. Now you see detailed crawl data for your website. Scroll to Crawl Request by Response section. See this table? It shows different HTTP response codes, like OK, server error, etc. Look for Not Found 404 row. Click on it. This shows how many 404 errors Google encountered over the last 3 months. In my case, Googlebot requested these broken URLs 271 times. If we redirect or clean them up, those crawl requests can be spent on real, indexable pages instead. Now click the Export button in the top right corner. You will see 3 options: Google Sheets, Microsoft Excel, or CSV. Download the format you prefer. I am choosing Excel. The Excel file is now downloaded. Let's open it. Here's the raw data from Google Search Console. Notice something. The same URLs appear multiple times. That's because Google crawls the same 404 pages repeatedly on different dates. For example, this URL here, you can see it showing up again and again. So instead of creating redirects for duplicates, we only need the unique URLs. Let's clean this up. Go to Data, Remove Duplicates. Select All, then choose only the URL column, and click OK. Now Excel removes the duplicates automatically. In my case, it removed about 191 duplicate rows, and left me with around 75 unique URLs. Much cleaner, and these are the only URLs we actually need to fix. Not all 404 URLs should be handled the same way. Instead of redirecting everything blindly, we need to group them by type and choose a correct action. Let me quickly show you 3 common types I found in my crawl stats. First, ghost URLs, pages I never created. For example, this one here, Apple App Site Association, and this well-known Apple App Site Association. These are system or bot-generated URLs. They don't belong to my site at all. So instead of redirecting them, we mark them as 410, content deleted. This tells Google the page is permanently gone and it should stop crawling it. Next, change or move resources. These are files that existed before but I renamed or moved. For example, my old logo, techfin2k logo.png, and another old image, InterServe Review Featured Image. These files still exist, just at a new location. So we use a 301 permanent redirect to the new file path. This automatically sends visitors and search engines to the updated version. Finally, updated or renamed posts. For example, an old review URL like InterServer Review 2025 and free custom email. If I've updated it to a new version or changed the slug, the old URL becomes 404. In this case, We again use a 301 redirect to the latest or most relevant page. That way, users and Google both land on the correct content. So the rule is simple. Ghost or fake URLs 410. Move files or posts 301 redirect. Now that we categorize them, let's add these redirects inside Rank Math. Now I have cleaned the spreadsheet and left just 3 example rows. I have increased the font so viewers can read them easily. These are the unique URLs we will fix today. I already identified the correct destinations manually. I didn't show that lookup process to keep the demo short. Now I'll add the redirects in Rank Math. Now copy the logo URL. Open WordPress Rank Math redirections, add new. For the first one, the old logo file, paste the source path copied from the Excel sheet and select exact. For destination, again, copy the URL from the Excel sheet which I had already identified. Paste this in the destination URL. Select type, 301, move permanently. Select activate, and click add redirection. After adding a redirect, it might not show up in Rank Math for up to an hour, but it works immediately. Test it in a new tab. Now let's handle the ghost URL. I will copy it from the Excel sheet and go to Rank Math, redirections, add new. Paste it into the source URL field, and keep the match type set to exact. Since this page never existed, we don't want to redirect it anywhere. So I'll change the redirection type to 410, content deleted. Notice what happens. The destination field is automatically disabled. That's because a 410 doesn't redirect. It simply tells Google this page is permanently gone. The redirect is already active, so I'll click add redirection. Done. This URL will now return 410 instead of 404, and Google will stop crawling it. Now let us fix the old post URL. I will copy it directly from the Excel sheet. Enter Server Review 2025. Then go to Rank Math Redirections, add new. Paste it into the source URL field. I will keep the match type as exact, since we only want the specific page to redirect. Next, copy the new updated post URL and paste it into the destination URL field. Notice the 301 permanent move option is already selected by default, which is exactly what we need. The redirect is also activated, so no changes required. Now I'll click add redirection. Done. This means anyone visiting the old URL will automatically land on the updated post. And now you can see all 3 redirects added here. One 410 for the ghost URL, and 2 301 redirects for the moved image and the updated post. Everything is configured correctly. Always use 301 for updated or renamed content, so link value and visitors are passed to the new page. Now let's test all the redirects to make sure everything is working correctly. I will open a new incognito window so there's no cache affecting the results. First, I will copy the old logo URL from the Excel sheet and paste it into the browser. You can see the image load successfully, but notice the file name. It's now cropped TechFin 2K, not the old logo name. That means the 301 redirect is working, and the old URL is automatically pointing to the new file. Next, let's test the ghost URL. Open another incognito tab. Paste the Apple App Site Association URL and press enter. This time we don't get a page. It shows 410 gone. Perfect. That tells Google this page is permanently deleted, so it should stop crawling it completely. Finally, let's test the old post URL. Paste the old link and press enter, and it automatically opens the updated article. Notice the URL changed into Server Hosting Review 2025. That confirms the 301 redirect is working, sending visitors to the latest version of the post. Always test an incognito after clearing cache to avoid false results. Quick recap. Export your 404 URLs from Search Console. Remove duplicates. Decide which ones need a 301 redirect or a 410 deletion, and add them one by one in Rank Math plugin. Always test each redirect in incognito to make sure it's working. If you only have a few URLs, the manual method is perfectly fine. And if you ever need to fix dozens or hundreds at once, I'll share a faster bulk method in a separate video. Thanks for watching. Keep your site clean and crawl-friendly. If you want that bulk redirect tutorial, comment bulk below and I'll make it next.